the other one. Yeah, sure. Yeah, pull him back.
He hits pretty hard also.
Yeah, he hit like a lot.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Oh my god. How did I die? I didn't even see, dude. I didn't pay attention to my HP.
Yeah,
No
you.
way.
Oh, no.
How did I die? Oh my god.
I'm not even sure what happened.
I don't know what happened. It went so fast. Like, did I get aggro? Like,
Reavers cleave, but they were
bro,
not.
I didn't even pay
Right,
attention
yeah,
to my HP.
Yeah.
Fuck.
That really sucks. Ay.